Hey guys, good morning. My name is Kaustav and welcome to the my new YouTube channel Inside Poach. To give a brief introduction about myself, I'm an experienced data analytics professional with 15 plus years of experience. Now, the objective of building this channel is to give a holistic view to all aspirants who wants to come to data analytics field, anything related to data. Don't think that this will be restricted to any specific software like Power BI or Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Access or any such tools. So this is to give you a holistic approach beginning to from beginners to expert. Now coming to the data piece, the first module that we will start from today is called data literacy. Now, what is data literacy? See, we all are literate. We have completed our 10th, 12th, graduation, master degrees, PhDs, whatever. So we are literate, but are we data literate? Literacy and data literacy are two separate things. How? Data literacy is something a person is data literate when the person knows how to read the data, how to analyze the data, and how to communicate with the data. Because if you know how to read a data, then you can communicate with the data. You can take out the information which you need the data to tell you. And if you can do that, then the data will do anything that you want. Trust me, this is how it is. So, starting the first lesson on data, the basic thing, the basic warehouse of data can be of multiple sources. We'll come to that in next module. First 2 3 lessons are basics of Excel. I know nowadays there are only few people. It is very hard to find out people who do not know Excel. But as I said, the objective is from beginners to expert. So we will start with the basic lessons of Excel. So let's go to my computer screen and learn the basics of Excel today.
All right, guys. So in any computer, whatever versions you have of Microsoft Excel 2010, 2013, or whatever the versions you have, so the Excel front will look like this. So how do you open? So in case if you have Microsoft Office installed in your computer, so you just need to come here in this Windows icon and just you have to type in Excel. And if you click on this app, then a new Excel sheet. This is a blank sheet. Now what happens in any Excel sheet? This is the taskbar, and that's common everywhere. Now, under each taskbar, there are different ribbons. I mean, different items. So, for example, if you open file, so you have all this. So you have your font, you have italics, you have underlines, you have font, then you have alignment, then you have font shape, then you have formatting and everything. Accordingly, if you go to insert, pivot table, and everything is here. So this is how it looks like. Now, and an Excel sheet has got this horizontal ones are called rows and the vertical ones are called column. Now, so basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are rows, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, these are column. Now, if you place a cursor anywhere, so this particular cursor, it will show the position. So basically this particular cell shows the position of the cursor. So it's on G column and fifth row. So it shows G5. These are the cells wherein you can type or you can copy paste things. And there are tabs. So basically say this is one tab. So let's say tab A. Then you can just click on this plus icon, then B, and you can keep adding tabs like this, C, D, like this. Now, then when you create multiple sheets in any Excel, then this entire Excel sheet becomes a workbook. And this becomes sheets, right? Now this Excel sheet can be moved horizontally like this. This can be vertically moved like this. So this is how the structure of an Excel looks like. So in Excel, you can type anything. You can type anything. Sorry, it's behaving very weird today. And just put enter. It goes like this. So these are the basics of Excel, which we learned today. So this is how the Excel sheet looks like. So Excel sheet has got row, column, different. So we will come to that in next chapter, that what are the functions of each of these rows and columns. And one more thing before we end. So if you want to save any Excel sheet or Excel workbook, just click on File, then click on Save As. Then you have to select a location. So here, let's do it on desktop. Although it's never recommended that you save any of your file in desktop. Even if you are saving, you should have a backup in place. For desktop, let's put demo 1, right? And and this is the extension. So, I mean, you can choose various extensions. So always try to do it. If you have a lighter workbook, either you do it on Excel workbook, or there is something called Excel binary workbook. Excel binary workbook. The benefit is that it reduces the size of the Excel. See, the moment I save, the name of the workbook will change on the top. It's taking a little bit of time. It's taking longer time. Now, if you look at this workbook, the name has been changed in workbook as demo 1. So that's all for today's lessons. Next lesson, we'll learn a bit more about Excel. Thank you so much.